To all my friends, namaskar. मैं कलकत्ता से तन्मय भट्टाचार्य. I am basically from Kolkata. My name is Tanmay Bhattacharya. My boutique name is the Parijat Boutique. In live, my group link also there is a mainly for this group is only for mainly jewelry group. Today I showcase the mainly of the silver replica neck piece jewelry. Today showcase the mainly silver replica neck piece jewelry, neck piece collection. Very exclusive. All are the pure silver replica piece. My phone number and WhatsApp number already now is pin post. My phone number and WhatsApp number is 9073725232. That is my phone number and WhatsApp number 9073725232. That is my phone number and WhatsApp number. Pin post the number. If anyone interested for product, take a screenshot and send a WhatsApp message. All over India shipping is possible. Above 1000 rupees purchase, all over India shipping charges free. Payment system is Google Pay, Phone Pay and bank transfer through DTDC or speed post to collect the product. That is the procedure of the shopping. Am I visible or audible? My live is clear. Am I visible or audible? Am I visible or audible? Hello everyone. Am I visible or audible? My live is visible. Now let's start. Don't waste the time. This is number one. It's a number one neck piece. Material is the pure silver replica neck piece. The neck piece is the pure silver replica neck piece. This is the number one. See the neck piece. It's a original stone. See, this is a very nice. It's a dual. And it's a multi-stone. It's a ruby and emerald stone. It's a garnet. This is a garnet. Very nice, very sleek piece, and very sober, sophisticated taste. See, it's a pure silver replica. Pure silver replica piece. The number one piece. This is the number one. The product price is 600. 600 is the product price. The product price is 600. It's a pure silver replica. It's a AD and sorry, this is not AD. This is a ruby and emerald stone is there, and this is the garnet. It's a garnet. Product is a pure silver replica. This is the number one. Without earring, this product have no earring. The product price is 600. 600 is the product price. If anyone interested, take the screenshot and send a WhatsApp message. My WhatsApp number already mentioned in live. My WhatsApp number is 9073725232. That is my phone number and WhatsApp number. Back camera. See the back camera view. See the back camera view. See the pendant. Hi bhaiya. Hello madam. Hello didi. Please join. See, this is the number one. Aparna di. Hello didi. This is the number one. दीदी 4 PM पारिजात बुटीक में पेज में लाइव है. प्लीज़ ज्वाइन. अपर्णा दी को मैं बोल रही हूँ, दीदी प्लीज़ ज्वाइन 4 PM इन पारिजात बुटीक. सी दीदी, अपर्णा दी देखिए, पूरा कांजीवरम एंड गादोवाल का स्टॉक रेडी है. मतलब आज 4 बजे का लाइव होगा पारिजात बुटीक का पेज में. देखिए, दिस इज द सिल्वर रेप्लिका नेक पीस. प्राइस इज 600 only. This is without earring. This is the without earring. Aparnati, please give me the feedback about my product, because this group I am very new. That's why I tell you. Please give the feedback for the others. Help me. This is the number 1. Number 2. I will join Dada. Okay, Didi. Okay. Lots of Kanjivaram and Gadwal. Please join. 4 p.m. live in Parijat Boutique page. See, this is another silver replica neck piece. See, this is another silver replica neck piece. It's an amazing piece. See, it's this is have a ruby stone. It's a complete ruby stone. It's a full necklace piece with earring. The product price is 1150. 1150 is the neck piece price. It's a Mahalakshmi is there. This is the Mahalakshmi and full ruby set. It's a full ruby. All are the ruby stone. The product price is 1150. 1150 is the product price with earring. This is the earring. The always say super quality sari, authentic handloom silks at very less price. Jewelry also awesome design. Thank you Aparnati. Thank you for the feedback. Thank you, Didi. In this group I am very new, but Aparnati is not my new see, this is the product. This is the product. The product is 1150. 1150 is the product price. See, trust me everyone, my product is really good. That is, I assure you. See, this is the product. This is the number 2. The product price is 1150. 1150 is the total set price. See the back camera view. This is the back camera view. Amazing piece. It's a really amazing. See, this is the neck piece. See, this is the Mahalakshmi is there. Mahalakshmi is a typical South Indian temple type of design. The material is a pure silver replica. See the neck piece. This is the neck piece finishing. See the neck piece finishing. Amazing piece. Amazing. Very sober, sophisticated piece. These are all are the real stone. These are real stone. All are the real. So no plastic beads. However, I recommended your shari. They all bought and love also. Yes. I know, Didi. Thank you. Really very much. Very thanks about you. You already recommended many people. See, this is the neck piece. It's an amazing piece. The piece is really amazing. 1150 is the product price with earring. This is the earring. Earring also very cute. This is number 2. Didi, please join today 4 p.m. Parijat Boutique page live. It's the best puja. This is the best puja collection of the Kanjivaram and Gadwal. Time is 4 p.m. Already 3:30 is here. See, this is the another neck piece. It's a really exclusive piece. This is a real exclusive piece. This is an excellent piece. Excellent. See the neck piece. This is the Navratna. This is the Navratna set. See, this is the original Navratna set. Many more stone is there. See the stones. Ruby, emerald, turquoise, moonstone, pokraj, all are there. The stone are the real stone. All are the real stone. It's an amazing neck piece with earring. This is the earring. See the earring. This is the earring with this is the Hyderabadi cultured pearls. Anusha joined Didi. Okay, yes, Didi, please join. Please join my page. Name is Parijat Boutique. My today 4 p.m. is the live. Is very special for the Kanjivaram and Gadwal live. Please join. this is the jewelry live in this Kalamkari group. See, this is an amazing Navratna set. Wow, collection bhaiya. Thank you Didi, thank you Anusha Jain Didi, thank you. Just share the live also in this group. I think Aparna Di, this group mainly one day is one live. That's why I think it's not possible to share here. See, this is the amazing neck piece, amazing neck piece. The neck piece price is 1525. 1525 is the product price. This of course these are costly, of course, but the reason is that these are the total handmade product, real stone. No, I share link with all. Okay. Then I will share. No problem. See, amazing neck piece, amazing. The product price is 1525. Price is I know this is the costly as a replica jewelry, and not this is the after all this is a costume jewelry. This product price is high, but the reason is that all are the handmade product. Replica is always handmade and quality is very good. All are the real stone, total handmade product. That's why is the price is 1525. This is not the black polish. Please, these are not the black polish. This is a pure silver replica. The price is 1525. 1525 is the product price. See the back camera view. This is the back camera view. Amazing neck piece, amazing. See the all stones. This is all are the stone. See the stones. What a color combination. It's a authentic Navratna set. It's an authentic Navratna set. Amazing all the stones. See, it's a multi-stone. Really very exclusive piece. Really, this is a very exclusive. This is the earring. See the earring. This is the earrings. It's amazing. See the stones. Cut. See the stone cuts. These are all are the real stone and total handmade product. The total neck piece and earring set price is 1525. 1525 is the jewelry set price. See, this is the jewelry and with earring. The product price is 1525. It's an amazing piece. See this neck piece. This is a type of choker type of neck piece. It's a sleek choker type of Victorian type of design. It's a very sleek design with AD and ruby and emerald stone with a semi-precious Hyderabadi cultured pearls and the semi-precious. This is the semi-precious. This is not a origin. This is, I think this is a semi-precious stone, and these are all are the see the neck piece with earring. It's a garnet. This is the real garnet, ruby garnet color with earring. This is the earring. See the earring. This is the earring and neck piece. This is the earring and neck piece. The product price is 850. 850 is the product price. See the neck piece. See the neck piece. Very nice. It's an authentic Victorian type of the design. It's a choker type of design. The product price is 850. 850 is the price. This is the AD stone, real AD. See the back camera view. This is the back camera view. See, आप अनुषा जैन मैम, आप कहाँ से है? मैं कलकत्ता से हूँ दीदी. मैं बेसिकली फ्रॉम प्रॉपर कोलकाता. इट्स एकदम, दिस इज द प्रॉपर कोलकाता. यू नो, आई थिंक दैट द दमदम इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट आई स्टे एक्चुअली दमदम. इट्स अ प्रॉपर दमदम. सी, दिस इज द बैक कैमरा व्यू. अमेजिंग पीस. This is total handmade product. It's a real AD stone. This is a real AD. It's a back camera view. See the back camera view. The product price is 850. 850 is the product price. See, this is the real stone. These are all are the real stone. See, no plastic beads is there. It's a real stone. This is the earring view. See the earring. This is the earring. It's an amazing earring. Only earring also for the better. Only earring also very exclusive. See the stone effect. The product price is 850. 850 is the neck piece price. See, neck piece with earring. The product price is 850. 850 is the product price. Amazing piece. Amazing. See the another neck piece. This is also very unique. This neck piece, another color also there. I don't know where it is, but multi also there. Anusha Jain Didi, better you save my number. My WhatsApp number and phone number is 9073725232. That is my phone number and WhatsApp number. If you interested, please pin in WhatsApp. Then I will share my in my page link. You already contact with my page also. See, this is the neck piece. It's an amazing silver replica neck piece. See, it's all are the original ruby stone. This is the original ruby stone. It's amazing with earring piece. This is the earring. See the earring. This is the earring. Inform to everyone, please join my 4 PM live at the Parijat Boutique page for the special for the Gadwal and Kanjivaram live. See, this is the neck piece. Amazing, amazing piece. The product price is 1230. 1230 is the neck piece price. It's amazing silver replica. See the stones, all cut of the stones, all are the very exclusive. All are the very exclusive. I am basically from proper Kolkata in Damdam, in West Bengal. Payment system is the Google Pay, Phone Pay and bank transfer. Through DTDC or Speed Post you collect the product. That is the procedure of the shopping. Payment system is Google Pay, Phone Pay and bank transfer, already mentioned. See, this is the neck piece. See the back camera view. This is the earring. See the earring. This is the earring. Very nice earring. The product price is 1230. 1230 is the product price. Above 1000 rupees purchase all over India, shipping charges total free. Above 1000 rupees purchase all over India, shipping charges total free. See the neck piece. Is amazing, amazing, really amazing. Mainly I deal with the silver replica. Mainly in jewelry I deal with the silver replica. Basically I am mainly I have a boutique for the sari. All type of the traditional sari I have. See, this is a very sleek piece. Very sleek, very stylish. Very stylish and very sleek. See the neck piece. This is the neck piece. What a exclusive neck piece with earring. This is the earring. See the earring and neck piece. This is the neck piece and earring. Amazing. It's a very smart. It's a very smart. The product price is 780. 780 is the product price. Amazing piece. It's a chain with that very exclusive pendant. See, and with the earring. This is the jhumka earring. Very nice. The product price is 780. 780 is the product price. See, this is the neck piece with earring. See the back camera view. This is the back camera view. See the pendant. This is the pendant. What a exclusive pendant. See, this is a very stylish pendant with chain. This is the chain. Many people like the simple one. This is the simple and smart one, and also ethnic. Also, this is very much ethnic, very ethnic, traditional Indian design. And this is the earring. See the earring. This is the earring. Earring is jhumka. Amazing jhumka piece. The product price is 780. 780 is the product price. It's an amazing neck piece and earring. The product price is 780. Very sleek and smart also. Very nice. This is very chains with the Hyderabadi pearls. Chain with the Hyderabadi pearls. Amazing piece. It's a back view. This is the back. This is the front. This is the front part. Now I shifted the another piece. See, this neck piece also very smart. This is also very smart. It's ideal for any kind of western wear also. This is very smart. It's a plain chain. Any western wear you can wear this kind of jewelry also. Black high neck t-shirt, you wear that kind of chains and with earring. This is with earring. Damn smart. See the earring also. This is an amazing earring and neck piece. Only earring is enough. See, this is the only earring is enough for the jewelry. See, what a exclusive earring also. This is the pendant. This is the pendant and earring with chain. It's a very smart piece. Very smart. The product price is 895. 895 is the product price. See the back camera view. This is the pendant. See the pendant. This is the pendant. This is the pendant piece and with a long chain, and this is the earring. See the earring. This is the earring. This is the earring. The product price is 895. 895 is the product price. It's a pure silver replica piece. It's a pure silver replica. This is the chain. It's a necklace. This is the necklace. It's ideal for western wear also. That kind of neck piece you wear any kind of western wear also. This is the necklace and this is the earring. This is the earring. Amazing piece. Amazing. Damn smart. The product price is 895. 895 is the product price. See. See the next one also very cute and very smart also. Next one is very cute. This neck piece is very smart and very cute also. See the neck piece. This is the neck piece with chain with pendant. See the pendant properly. It's amazing. It's a bird motif. See the pendant. This is the pendant with pearls, with a Hyderabadi pearls also there. It's a very nice. This is a I think this is parrot type of design. See, with chain. This is the chain, long chain with earring. This is the earring. See the neck piece. This is the neck piece and with earring. This is the earring and this is the neck piece. The product price is 895. 895 is the total set price. It's a very nice. See the pendant. See the pendant. This neck piece have the huge demand. This neck piece huge demand. I already this neck piece sold minimum 4 to 5 pieces. See the back camera view. This is the back camera view. This is the neck piece pendant and this is the earring. This is the earring. Amazing piece. Amazing. The product price is 895. 895 is the product price. Amazing neck piece. Earring also have a AD stone. Earring have a AD stone. See, these are all the AD. In earring, AD stone is there. See the necklace. This is a necklace without earring piece. This is without earring. It's a very nice, very sober taste neck piece and very heavy also. This is very heavy piece. It's a full neck piece. The product price is 900. The product price is 900. See the necklace. This is the necklace. This is small also. Small also. This kind of product has a small piece that is also available. This is the neck piece. The neck piece price is 900. 900 is a replica neck piece price. This is silver replica. This is not black metal. Mention many more times. These are all at the silver replica. See, this is the back camera view. It's a total handmade product. Total handmade product. See, this is not a black metal. Mention you. These are all at the pure silver replica piece. These are not black metal. This is a pure silver replica piece. The product price is 900. 900 is the product price. Move on to next product. This is the smaller one. See the smaller neck piece. This is also type of the neck piece. Both are same, but this is sleek. This is the sleek. See, this is also that kind of neck piece. The product price is 475. 475 is this neck piece price. This neck piece price is 475. See the back camera. See the back camera view. This is the back camera view. See, this is the back camera view. The product price is 475. 475 is the neck piece price without earring. Have no earring. This is the neck piece. See the neck piece. This is the neck piece. The product price is 475. This is also very unique and very smart. Very smart piece. 475 is the product price. This is also another neck piece. See that this is a hashuli. This is the hashuli necklace. It's a very nice, very smart piece. See that kind of neck piece. This one. This is the neck piece. The neck piece price is 850 with earring. This is the earring. This is the earring. See, this is the earring, and this is the hasuli. See the hasuli. This is the neck piece. The product price is 850. 850 is the product price. This is the earring. Very smart piece. See the necklace back view. See the back camera view. This is the back camera view. See, this is the original pure silver replica piece. These are all the pure silver replica. See, very nice piece with earring. This is the earring. See the earring. This is the earring. Earring and pendant all are the same. The product price is 850. 850 is the product price. The product price is 850. This set price is 850 only. 850 is only this product price. Next one also a choker without earring. This is the only choker. See the choker. This is the choker piece. This is the choker. Very nice. The product price is 500. 500 is the product price. This is also pure silver replica. See, this is a pure silver replica piece. It's a choker piece. Very nice. See, this is the pearls, ruby and emerald stone is there, and this is the garnet. It's a pure silver replica choker. See, Anusha Jain ma'am, shipping how much? Shipping where ma'am? Please tell me where, then I tell you. See the neck piece. This is the neck piece. Anusha Jain ma'am, if you purchase the above 1000 rupees, purchase, your shipping is total free of cost. Above 1000 rupees purchase, shipping is free, but below 1000 rupees purchase, shipping is payable. See, this is the neck piece. This is the neck piece. It's a very amazing piece. Amazing. The product price is 500. 500 is this choker price. This is the choker. See, this is a choker piece. Very nice. It's a double peacock. Both side peacock is there, and Mahalakshmi is middle part of the Mahalakshmi. The design all are taken from the authentic South Indian temple jewelry. The design concept all are taken from the South Indian temple jewelry. And this is the garnet. It's a real garnet. Anusha Jain ma'am, Didi, all over India shipping is possible. Above 1000 rupees purchase, shipping is total free, but below 1000 rupees is shipping is chargeable. Depend on the place. If you I think you not from the Andaman on Assam and Tripura. Others all over India without Assam and Andaman and Tripura, this area, without this area, all over India shipping charges per kg 150. I think 150 to Mangalore from Karnataka. Okay, Karnataka not too much. Maximum 100, 150 maximum. 100 to 150. That's enough. See this neck piece. This is another neck piece. This is very unique. It's a contemporary and stylish. See, this is also a replica piece with many more stone is there. It's a many more stone with carved stone, many more. All are the real. These are all at the colored stone. Are all at the real stone. Amethyst is there. Pokraj is there, and carved stone is there. Many more stone. Many more. Very exclusive piece. See, I tried in my neck. See the actual looks. This is the looks. Amazing, amazing. This is without earring. The product price is 950. 950 is this neck piece price. See, this is the necklace. Amazing. This neck piece price is 950. 950 is the neck piece price. See the back camera view. This is the back camera. See, blue is the carved stone. This is the carved stone. These are all the real stone. All are the real stone. See, amazing piece. This piece is really amazing. Very excellent piece. Excellent. See, the neck piece is amazing smart. It's a really smart piece. Very smart. See the neck piece. This is really smart. Ideal for any kind of western wear, and in Indo-Western also very nice. The product price is 950. This is without earring. Have no earring. Without earring piece. The price is 950. 950 is the product price. Amazing. It's a really amazing. And my wholesale also possible. Wholesale is also possible. I have a lot of the wholesaler customer about the jewelry. If anyone interested to join my group, also my group link also link also there in the live for the jewelry group. See the necklace. This is an amazing necklace. This is a heavy but very unique. See the necklace. This is an amazing necklace. See the necklace. See the necklace. What a neck piece. Wow, really wow. See the neck piece. This is the earring. This is the earring and this is the neck piece. The product price is 1050. 1050 is the neck piece price. This is a really very sober taste. Very sober. Authentic Indian taste. Authentic Indian taste jewelry. See the neck piece. This is the neck piece. I see. In my neck I see for the see. This is the neck piece. See the necklace. Amazing. With earring, the product price is 1050. 1050 is the necklace price. 1050 is the necklace price. In the for example, for this product, all over India shipping charges free. This product price is 1050. All over India, this product price shipping is free. Above 1000 rupees purchase, all over India shipping charges total free. See the back camera view. This is the back camera view of the pendant. See the back camera. This is the pendant. This is the pendant. Amazing. This piece is really wow. This is the earring. See the earring. This is the earring. And this is the chains. This is the full chain. Very nice, very sober taste of the product. See. This is the neck piece. Really excellent piece. Excellent. The product price is 1050. See this necklace. This is a really wow piece. See, this is an authentic signature piece. It's a real signature piece of the South Indian temple, authentic temple jewelry signature piece. See the neck piece. This is the neck piece. See. What a excellent piece. See, what a piece. Authentic South Indian temple jewelry. See that this portion, the product is a pure silver replica. It's a pure silver replica. The design concept is completely taken from the South Indian, authentic South Indian temple jewelry. See the work, see the finishing of the work. This is the neck. It's a dual tone. It's have a dual tone, gold and silver, both is there. This is the neck piece. All at the emerald stone. All at the emerald stone. It's an amazing neck piece. Amazing. This neck piece is a really wow piece. It's a really wow piece. The neck piece. This is the neck piece. This is without earring piece. The product price is 1400. 1400 is the product price. As a imitation jewelry is costly, but this product all are the real stone and total handmade product. It's amazing. In pure silver, that kind of necklace price above 40,000. That kind of full finishing, loops, weight, each and everything like a pure silver you get in 1400. See, this is the neck piece. All I already tell in Bengali. This is a really wow, amazing piece. The product price is 1400. 1400 is the product price. See the necklace. See the necklace finishing of the work. It's a dual tone. It's have a dual tone effect. 1400 is the product price. This is today's live last product. See the neck piece. In 4 p.m. my live already started in Parijat boutique page for the special Benarosi and Kanjivaram and Gadwal. See, this is a necklace. This is also another silver replica piece. This is a signature piece, pure signature piece, half and half design. This is also blue stone. All are the blue stone. This is not black. It's a blue. And this is a gold and silver finishing of the Mahalakshmi is there with earring product. See the back camera view. This is the back camera view. See, this is a blue stone. It's a real blue stone. See, the stone are all at the blue. It's a Mahalakshmi, and these are another side is a full Mahalakshmi with blue stone. This is the necklace with earring. This is the neck piece. This is the neck piece. Widely see the neck piece. This is the necklace. This is the neck piece. See the neck piece. This is the neck piece with earring. This is the earring, also jhumka and dual tone jhumka, gold and silver. See, this is the earring. This is the earring, gold and silver. The product price is 1400. The total set price is 1400. This is the neck piece, and this is the earring. The product price is 1400. 1400 is the product price. Amazing piece, amazing, really amazing piece. Now today I over the live. In Monday I will come. Time is 2:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. If 2:30 is possible, and not either 3 p.m. I will come with my collection. Today my live is over. Now my live will start in Parijat boutique page. At that moment we will start in Parijat boutique page for the special Kanjivaram and Gadwal collection. Please join and support. Thank you. Today my live is over. Thank you everyone. Namaskar.